What's up, Nick?
Hello guys.
Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be playing Natural Disaster with my
Yes, let's go. I'm gonna drive this, bro.
and I'll drive this, bro.
Oh, I'm too fat. Yo! Oh no. Oh, bro got those Roblox shoes, bro.
One question for you. What are those?
Those shoes are done. Yo, let's go here. Oh. I just saw someone drop kick. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Yo, it must be Roblox. Oh! Oh! Nice head. Yeah, he won't kick me. Let's go. Oh, damn! Yo, we're in the trains, bro. Get in the train, get in the train. Yo, oh, I need to go to the other train. You've seen this map. Thomas the train. Oh!
It's a tornado!
Oh my gosh! Yo, Thomas, are you okay?
Thomas and Green.
Thomas and
Bring out the Thomas song, bro!
Thomas, the train engine. What? Oh! It's time for us!
The train! The train!
Go to the tornado catcher. Let's go to the tornado catcher. Oh my gosh. Oh, is that SpongeBob? Oh, I just lost half the train. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that sounds good.
Why are we not putting trees on
Because that would give us air. I'm at the top, bro. I just fell.
This is the old man.
Just a second. I'm in the middle of. Oh my gosh! Damn!
Bro, hindi ka na.
Oh, what the hell?
Wait. Get up.
Prison panic. Damn, bro. Yo, let's go get the prisoner outfit.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Is that a floating toilet, bro? Gonna parkour my way to the floating toilet.
Whisk bamba.
Rubber ducky.
Oh, nah.
Bro. I'm with rubber ducky, bro. Fire. Bro, fire, bro. I'm in the water. I'm good, bro. Nothing but hurt, man. Turn into obsidian, bro. Chill, dude, bro. Oh, nah. Oh, no, bro. Oh, no, bro. Oh, no. Wait, I'm still good, though. Yes, sir. Saan ka na? What? There? Yo, why is that floating, bro? Bye guys, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.
How are you? I am under the water. Please help me.